Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, it's your girl, ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today, we are going to be going into the Dollar Tree and just seeing what they have for us. So, let's just jump right into the video and come with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's go. All right, let's go to the Dollar Tree. This is the Dollar Tree that we will be going to today. So let's see what they have for us. A few disclaimers. This video is going to be very different from my other videos. I'm literally just going to be showing you how I peruse around this particular Dollar Tree. No edits, just literally me really just trying to figure this out. And also, I'm using one of my new cameras, well, my new camera, and I don't know what I'm doing. So y'all go see me playing around with it. I'm just getting used to it. And don't worry, I'm going to fix that. But look at me. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm trying to learn this camera, y'all. It's such an amazing camera. It is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And y'all, it's the bomb. So I'm literally just playing around with it. Unfortunately, no, it's not sponsored. They don't even know me. Hopefully they may sponsor me now, but not sponsored. I'm getting familiar with it. But literally, this is just me going through the Dollar Tree, checking out the back to school, the fall stuff. I was so excited to be in Dollar Tree. There will be portions of me actually talking, and you even hear my conversation with someone. But a lot of it will be me doing a voiceover, giving ideas of crafts you can do, and possibly some music, because y'all know the music sometimes plays in the stores, and we do not want their music, just my music. Okay, we are for sure getting this. These are foldable storage boxes. For sure getting it. Let me get me a cart, because I am tripping with no cart. Because I seriously thought I was going to come in here and I didn't need a cart. And then that's where I came back to fix it, because I cannot stand when people don't put things back where they belong. I thought I was going to be just perusing, but y'all know I end up having to buy some things. And if you saw my live, then you actually saw me do the haul of the things that I'm gonna purchase. But I'm also gonna share and show some things that I should have purchased, or that I could always go back and purchase. But it's always fun to look and see what different Dollar Trees offer, at least for me. And I'm not typically in this particular area, so I was like a kid in this candy store. You for sure can put HTV vinyl on these, and they're only $5. I mean, you can put these on if they're going to swim or dance, etc. And y'all know I grabbed a couple of these, but I got them in pink at a different Dollar Tree. This one did not have it in pink, and I had to grab these. We can see if embroidery works on this vinyl. I mean, and we could always use a tote bag. Can never have too many. For sure getting that. Pink one, of course. Now, of course, it wouldn't be right if I didn't get the pink one. And then these bins right here, the possibilities are endless for these bins. I mean, school, work, crafts, so many different things. And then we went back to our back to school, because I had to come back, and y'all see these purple organizers. They're interlocking desk organizers that caught my eye, but y'all know I had to go dig deep and grab the pink ones. I mean, the possibilities are endless for these as well, because you can take these to school, you could put them in a desk, you could use them for your crafts, for organizations, etc. It's just so many things that you can do. And I said, you know what, let me go ahead and grab that pink one, because I was thinking about it. And I said, since we here, we might as well. Also grab that pink hard pencil case. My niece could possibly use that. That pencil holder, I was so close to getting it, but I decided not to get it. And Madison is too big for her school for the hard pencil case holders. So like I said, I can use it for my crafts or for my niece, one of the two. Now look how cute that is. They already know. So they already put the vinyl on there. See, they getting smart. They getting hip to us, y'all. And then this is super cute. It's a magnetic locker mirror. And I think I grabbed one, which will work because Madison needs one for her school. So I was going to do something with it, but I might give that one to her and then go back and get me another one. Now look at all of these. Now y'all know I'm going to do some notebook journals. Now this was literally a month ago. I'm so behind with some of my videos that I'm supposed to do. I got some stuff from Dollar Tree as well as Walmart and so many other places. Y'all probably saw my reel with these. How adorable are those? Y'all know I got some of those. And I was gonna put it down, and then I thought about it. Y'all go, oh, I should have got Maddie that pink. I think I need to go. Oh, see, I thought about it. I have to put stuff back where I got it from, y'all. So y'all see me putting it back because my OCD will not allow me to mess somebody else's stuff up.
Any choices, huh?
I know, it's so much stuff.
Yeah, okay, they put a lot more stuff this year than they have ever.
It is nice. Like I've many things. Super dope. Yeah, and I gotta get my daughters. Oh, these are so cute. It needs
to be, then it would be super dope.
Well, wishful thinking.
I know, right?
Wishful thinking. We will definitely hope that one day they could do that.
Or people just, at least asking, if you don't want it, then
put it back.
Put it back. Put it in the bathroom. We'll deal with it tomorrow. But god dang, I can't see people at register. They do this. They're like, oh, I don't want them. I said, sir.
Just put it right back. It won't harm you. It will not harm you.
Give it to me.
Yeah.
Right here.
She like right in your face. Just hand it over.
I'm like, no. Just clean the store. We're not playing this game today.
Like, please help me out.
Yeah, really, it ain't that hard.
It's not.
Have a good night.
You as well. Thank you so much. Now, I am going to talk to people everywhere I go. That's just my personality. I'm going to do it. I mean, I love talking to people and talking to strangers. Like, that's my thing. So, anywho, these are super cute if you want to decorate your home or your office, etc. Like, look how adorable these look. And y'all, she was talking to me, looking right at me, and she did not see my camera because this little camera is so cute and discreet. She's going to notice it later, but right now she did not notice it. So, anywho, this is a good Dollar Tree. Look how pretty these colors are of the flowers. Like, some Dollar Trees are just good, and this is a really good one. Y'all know wreaths are really, really popular, and we could do cookie cutters. I mean, it's so much stuff at this Dollar Tree. This Dollar Tree was a very good Dollar Tree.
What are you doing?
Recording. I'm a YouTuber.
Are you a TikToker?
A little bit, but I'm more of a YouTuber. Yeah, I'm on TikTok too, though. But YouTube is where it's at.
What's your TikTok name?
It's Do Dream On. It's simple enough, right? Do Dream On.
So do like D-U?
D-O. Do. Yep. Do Dream On. Yep. On everything. She said, what are you doing? Now, typically you do have to get permission to record in some of the stores, so I do not want you guys getting in trouble. She did provide me with permission. Each store is different. I haven't really recorded in stores in a long time, but I always try to get permission before I record. So make sure you're following the rules. They did give me permission to record inside of here. Now, y'all, we can do so much stuff with these ribbons. I mean, the holiday seasons are coming up. Glass, ribbons, all types of things. We can make backdrops with this. Y'all, this is just really, really dope that you can grab all of these things from the Dollar Tree for getting very, very creative, okay? But back to the permission. Make sure you get permission so you don't get in trouble. I got permission just in case anybody's watching this video. I did get permission, and I have it recorded if need be. Now, these are really cool, and the little wooden beads are really cool for decorating and things. And then they have everything over in Crafter Square, and y'all know I'm loving the pink. So if you're just starting out and you want to craft on a budget, or if you've been crafting for a long time and you just want to try something new, you guys can try all of these things to see how they work, because they may work great for you. They've been working good for me as well. I, of course, use my name brands and different things like that. But as you see, I'm grabbing some of these as well, because you can never have too much. I don't know. That's just me. And then they're $1.25, y'all, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. Don't get it twisted. That $1.25 does rack up, okay? So these are that pencil and brush organizer. I have one of those, and I put my pens and pencils and different crafting tools inside of there. But y'all, check out Crafter Square. If you are a crafter, you should check out Crafter Square at your local Dollar Tree. If you have not, I don't know what you're waiting for, because they have tons of great things. And look how cute this pink tool she is. Y'all know I was loving that. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of fast forward a few things, but this Dollar Tree was really good, like I already said, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Comment down below some things that you may have seen at this Dollar Tree that may not be at your local Dollar Tree. Okay, now these right here, you can do so many things with these. You can paint them. They could be coasters. You could use water proof paint. I mean, they could be backdrops. They could be so many different things. I got a couple of those because I do have some ideas that I want to use. And then, come on, adhesive diamond wraps. Those can go on every and anything. I mean, it's so many things you can do with these crafts. Y'all know we love butterflies, me, Maddie, and my mom. So that's super cute. You could do arts and crafts. But this right here is super adorable. It looks like a little house and love. And I actually found the one I was looking for at a different Dollar Tree farther out. I wanted the one that had the chalkboard, so I did find that one. This right here, I grabbed it. It's actually a dry erase board, but I'm thinking I could sublimate on it, and so I grabbed one. I will be getting some more a different time if it works well. And then I saw some chalkboard ones in the back, so of course we could use it as chalkboard, but we could put vinyl as well. So with things like this, if you're having like a party, a graduation party, a birthday party, a dinner, you can put vinyl for words on there, or chalk, and put like whatever food you're making. I mean, it could be so many different things you can use for that. Those were super cute. I didn't know what I could do with those right now, but y'all, I had to get this heart. I thought this was cute. You could put a cute saying, you could decorate it, you could do all types of things on there. I was thinking about getting, look, it was a cloud, and then it was a not water bubble, a word bubble that I thought about. But Dollar Tree is just absolutely amazing. It is a crafter's dream. So I'm literally debating on which one that I want. And I saw these. These are so cute. They're craft chalkboard ornaments. Like, these people are so creative, and I love them for their creativity. More chalkboard tags, like you could put them on for Christmas gifts. You can use them for decorations. You could put chalkboard, or you can You could put chalk, or you could put vinyl on them. I mean, the possibilities are literally endless, as I'll say 50-11 times. So sorry if I keep saying it. But these boards right here, once again, you could paint them, put vinyl on them, do all types of things with them. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see this? It's called Iron on Art. And they are little rhinestones. Like, seriously, look how adorable they are. I think these are super cute. And I was in love with those. Now we have more crafting wood. Like this, I mean, so many things that you could do with those things. Paint them, put vinyl on them, make things, backdrop. I mean, y'all tell me what y'all would do with those, because I think it's just so many things that you could do with those things, okay? And then woodcraft cubes. Like I said, these wooden beads are very, very popular with decor. So many different items that you can use. Gnomes, mermaids, like so many different things. I think these are really cute, and everybody needs these clips. If you craft, you need these clips. The craft clamps, they come in handy for everything. everything, okay? And of course, they're so cute because they're pink and silver, so y'all know I love those. So then we head on over to the baby section, and for $1.25, baby, is so many things that you can do with this. You can put HTV vinyl on these things. You can practice your embroidery on this. You can put the baby's names on there, their nicknames, all types of stuff. I mean, like I said, and you can practice. So if you are new and you just want to practice certain things, you can put the name on that too. So I was like, well, vinyl, yes, you sure can. And then I always practice with socks. If you've been watching me for a while, you guys know, especially when I started sublimating, I would come to the Dollar Tree and practice on all types of socks. You just want to make sure they have a high polyester count. And then that's 95%. So you can practice on those. So when you're practicing, trying to get your colors right, all types of things. And then this not necessarily craft related, but baby, these scrubs and sponges and stuff, they're the bomb. And once again, hand towels if you want to practice embroidery, and if it's a high polyester count, sublimation as well. Now, I've personally seen these on TikTok. I have not purchased or used any, but I heard they sell them at Walmart, and so they're way cheaper at the Dollar Tree. So if you happen to purchase, let me know and tell me what you think about it, okay? Now, these are so cute. They actually light up. So I was trying to see if it could light up. I think they need batteries though, but I've seen them all over TikTok and people gluing them together, lighting them up. I'm adjusting my camera. Remember, I got the new camera. But there's the on and off switch, but look how adorable those are. Like, it's so many things that people have been creating them with. I can't remember if I got some, but super cute. Like I said, they're battery operated, and people have been creating all types of stuff with those. So if you guys create something, let me know as well, because I don't know what I would create with it, but I have seen some really dope things. And y'all know I love me some journals, especially if it's glitter. Super cute. So if you saw my Dollar Tree haul, you know I did get this box here in white as well as pink, but they have a cute Tiffany blue, which could be really, really dope for a bridal shower, bridal party, anything. You can put vinyl, permanent vinyl on top of these, and they could be gifts for the bride. They could be gifts for the bridal party. They could be baby shower gifts. I mean, people can put their jewelry, their wedding rings, their earrings, all types of stuff in there. I just think that's super dope. And then the kitchen area at Dollar Tree eats every single time. These cutting boards are super cute for decor, decorating, gifts, if you're giving it, somebody's getting a new home, all types of things. And Madison and I love movies. So if you watch us on any other social media site, you know we always having us a movie night. So you could even have a movie night with that popcorn, and you could put some vinyl on it. You could do it for birthday parties, all types of things. Sorry, y'all, that camera was going, you know, wonky right there. I'm trying to learn it, remember? But these are great for sublimation, for HTV around Christmas time, for embroidery. Like I said, if someone is getting a new home or different things like that, you could do all types of stuff with the pot holders. So anywho, like I said, the kitchen section always eats so many different things that you can do for that. We can engrave in the wood. I mean, possibilities, once again, are endless. One of my favorite sayings, you got this because you do. You got it and I got it. And then once again, these little pouches where they have the vinyl already on them. Please be kind. Those are considered cosmetic bags. So, but you could do anything with those. And then these rocks are super cute. I'm trying to get it to, okay, there we go. These rocks are really cute. Positive affirmation rocks. And these, I didn't know what I could do with I could put vinyl at the top of them right there. I was like, I could put vinyl at the top of them. The rest of it was mesh. But these little garbage cans are super cute. You could put teacher gifts for those. And then here's the more savings. So this is where it's a little bit more than $1. So these are like $5, $10, etc. As I just peruse down here, that's all I got for you for today. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's completely different than other videos I do, but I just decided to show off my new camera and just share a trip to the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.